Hi my hair lover, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can turn your old unwanted hair or wig into a beautiful stunning ponytail. So stay tuned and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know your opinion about this transformation in the comment section below. To start with, you need a ponytail net. This is what a ponytail net looks like, and you can get this type and there are other type of ponytail nets, but each one you are able to get, just get any ponytail net, then we can get started. Now I'll be sewing this on my machine. If you don't have a machine, that's fine, you can actually use your needle and thread to sew it, but I have a machine, so I'll be using a machine to sew this ponytail. So now look closely on how I want to place the net and how I'm going to run the hair through the net. Now you can start sewing anyway. You can sew vertical the way I am doing, and you can also sew horizontal any which way you want to sew, as long as you are attaching the hair to the net, that is fine. So I'll just let you guys sit and watch how I'm sewing this hair on the net. After sewing all over, you can notice there's a space around the string that you're going to pull to secure your hair. So make sure you do not sew too close to that, because if it's too close to that string, it's not going to when you're trying to secure it, when you're trying to pull it, it's not going to pull, and that is just going to ruin your ponytail. So while sewing, be careful. As you can see, this is the last line I'll be sewing around the net. So once you're done sewing, make sure you leave enough hair down that you're going to sew round the net. That one is going to make it more neat, more appealing, and more beautiful. So make sure you do that when finishing up. So this is just the finish up sewing. So this is just the finished sewing. This is what we come up with. This is what we have after sewing. You can see we already have a ponytail, so I'm just going to spray my leave-in water on it so I can divine the coils and make it more appealing and beautiful. So if you are working with a straight hair, you don't have to do this, but if you're working with a coily hair, you can just do this so that the coils is going to come out more beautiful and more divine. Okay, so that will be all about the ponytail tutorial. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question, do it to ask in the comment section and I'll be right there to reply all your message. And if this is your first time of seeing my video, do let me know in the comment section so I can give a shout out in my next video. And with that being said, see you on the next one. Bye.